Okay, we have a question here. Question number 7. He said, cricket 11 players we have to select from 17 players. Out of 17, we have to select 11 in which 5 players can bowl. That is the condition that 5 bowlers are there. Now, in how many ways we can select it so that each team must include exactly 2 bowlers. So we need exactly 2 bowlers, as out of 17 we have total 17 players, out of which 5 bowlers are there. So 12 left are there. Now each team must include 5 bowlers. The very first thing is we need to use combination here if we have to select 11 out of 17, because we need to arrange them. We have to make a group of 11 players out of 17. Second is condition is each team must include 2 bowlers. So out of 5 we have to select 2 and rest 9 are left, as total 11 we need. So rest 9 are left from how many? From 12, because we don't need any other bowler. So 12 which cannot bowl. So out of 12, 9, and out of 5 bowlers we need 2. So just simplify it, this will be your answer. 12C9 we can solve by using property, that is 12C3 into 5C2. 12C3 is 12 into 11 into 10 divided by 3 into 2. 5 into 4 divided by 2. This is 220 into 10, that is 2200 will be our answer. One more case. Just take this case. Take a very careful look on this. He said a father with 8 children takes 3 at a time to the zoo. He is having 8 children, and out of 8 he has to select 3 at a time to take them to zoo, and more than once he cannot take anyone. He said without taking the same 3 children more than once. Same 3 cannot go. Like if suppose ABC, then CBA will not be there, right? If ABC is one group, then ABD can be other, BCD can be another. So the very first thing is ABC, CBA cannot be there, so we have to use combination here. Now question is how often will he go? So let us say this is the father and 3 he has to take at a time to the zoo. Same 3 cannot be there, so father has to go as many number of times, as many groups of 3 out of 8 will be there. So number of groups will be 8C3. Out of 8 you have to select 3 at a time to go to zoo. So 8C3 will be the number of groups. 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 factorial. So we got it 56. As many number of times father has to go. Second case is how often each child will go. How many times each child will go. Now it's a very simple thing. If you think it this way, how many times each child will go? Let us say, as we have equal number of cases for all, equal chances for all to go, there is no partiality. So let us say we are talking about a child. We are talking about a child. Now A is fixed to go. So as many number of groups of rest 2 children will be there, that many number of times A can go. As many number of groups of rest will be there, that many number of times A will have to go. Father obviously will be going. We need to find how many times, how often each child will go. So A is fixed, and for rest we are making the number of groups. So as A is fixed, the number of groups means rest 2 out of the 7 rest. Rest 2 children out of the 7. So 7 into 6 divided by 2. That is 21 number of times each child will go. Just note it down.